Hello, good afternoon. Today I very early morning came to our school in Tashi, Getsen, and all the way I and with Kampo we visit a few family and understand the uh, nomads how to living the life in nomads, especially some children's their father or mother leaving early time, and then some children has only mother or some are only father, and just right left two children. Actually, they have five, seven family, but a few years ago, father high blood pressure, he's passed away, and then leaving five childrens. And then right now the mother is living very far, and her auntie stay here. So these two children is right now are living in auntie's house, and the auntie's condition is not so good, but aunties from the auntie's home to our school is only a walk 5 or 10 minutes, and everybody knows actually in Tibet, especially in Qinghai province, here are very cold actually, and this time about minus 30 to 40, and then this is here actually two children are, the bigger one is right now already in our school, but this children is too young, so cannot take care herself. So I wish next year can go to our school, and because the mother cannot take care five children, because actually the nomads they want take care the yaks and sheep. So the five children living in home, mother is cannot take care of them. So because I wish through the video and the right place introduce about the why we do this, and especially this time I have opportunity to come to the whole nomad. Actually, this is the one simple. Not only this, here all around here actually have lots family like same like this hard life problem. This is the one simple. So I wish